Temporal analysis of genetic diversity in Plasmodium vivax field isolates from the Thai-Myanmar border, 2006 to 2016. By Abdifata Abdullahi Jale, Wana Chajroinkul and Kesra Nabangchang. Background: high-level genetic variants of Plasmodium vivax have previously been reported in Thailand. Circumsporozoid surface protein (CSP), merozoid surface protein (MSP), and microsatellite markers have been used to determine the genetic polymorphisms in P. vivax. This study aimed to investigate the molecular epidemiology of P. vivax populations at the Thai-Myanmar border. Methodology: a total of 440 Plasmodium vivax clinical isolates were collected from 2 districts along the Thai-Myanmar border. Mae Sot and Sai Yok, during 2 sampling periods, 2006 to 2007 and 2014 to 2016. The isolates were collected from patients diagnosed with P. vivax malaria by microscopy. Blood samples were preserved on filter papers for subsequent DNA extraction. Genotyping of 3 P. vivax genes, PVCSP, PVM-SP3 alpha, and PVM-SP3 beta, was performed using polymerase chain reaction, PCR, followed by restriction fragment length polymorphism, RFLP, analysis. PCR was carried out using primers designed to amplify the CSP gene, which is known to be polymorphic with 2 major genotypes, VK210 and VK247. The PCR products were analyzed using gel electrophoresis to identify band size variations. The presence of specific alleles was determined by comparing the observed band sizes with the known standards for VK210 and VK247. The PVM-SP3 alpha and PVM-SP3 beta genes were genotyped using PCR primers specific to these regions. PCR amplification was followed by RFLP analysis, in which the amplicons were digested with restriction enzymes that produce distinct fragment patterns depending on genetic polymorphisms within these genes. This allowed for the classification of alleles into distinct types. 3 genotypic variants, A, B, and C, of both PVM-SP3 alpha and PVM-SP3 beta were identified based on the distinct banding patterns observed following RFLP digestion. The allelic diversity within the PVM-SP3 alpha and PVM-SP3 beta genes was quantified by determining the number of different alleles present in the population for each gene. The frequency of each allele and its distribution between the 2 sampling periods, 2006 to 2007 and 2014 to 2016, were also assessed. A detailed comparison of genetic diversity between PVM-SP3 alpha and PVM-SP3 beta was made to evaluate the relative levels of polymorphisms and multiple genotype infections. Allelic frequencies were calculated, and diversity indices such as the Shannon index were used to quantify genetic variation within the study population. The data were compared between the 2 time periods to assess any temporal changes in genetic diversity. All statistical analyses were conducted using appropriate software, with significance at p 0.05. Results: 14 different PVCSP alleles were identified based on PCR band size variations, 8 for VK210 and 6 for VK247. The VK210 genotype was the dominant variant during both sample collection periods. For both PVM-SP3 alpha and PVM-SP3 beta, 3 distinct types, A, B, and C, were observed. RFLP analysis revealed 28 and 14 allelic variants of PVM-SP3 alpha and 36 and 20 allelic variants of PVM-SP3 beta identified during the first and second sampling periods, respectively. PVM-SP3 beta exhibited higher genetic diversity and a higher frequency of multiple genotype infections than PVM-SP3 alpha. Conclusion: the study found high genetic variability of P. vivax at the Thai-Myanmar border, with significant diversity in both PVCSP and PVMSP3 genes. Among these, PVMSP3 beta displayed a higher level of genetic diversity and was associated with multiple genotype infections, indicating the complexity of P. vivax populations in this region. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.